festival of Kangchingba or Ratha Jatra is being celebrated across Manipur today. Every year, the festival is celebrated on second day of Ingyan month of Manipuri lunar month, which falls between June and July, and the festival continues for 10 days. However, Ratha Jatra or Kangchingba procession is performed only on the first and the last days of the festival. Lamjingba Times today organized a painting competition for school students at the newspaper's office Uribo Khoshnam Lekai in Imphal West. The competition was held in two categories, Group A on the theme Clean India and Group B on the theme Stop Global Warming. 10 finalists participated in the competition. Manipur being located in the high seismic zone, earthquakes are very frequent in the state. As such, building concrete structures built with interlocating bricks will lower the scale of destruction of properties and casualties during major earthquakes. Moreover, these bricks are also eco-friendly, which will help keep air pollution at bay. The Joint Committee on Prevention of Illegal Immigration on Nagaland has called all presidents and general secretaries of all tribe HOHOs and civil society organizations to be present at the proposed meeting on Register of Indigenous. In the joint statement issued yesterday, JCPI convener K. Gokheto Chopi and Secretary Tia Longchar stressed that the issue on identifying an indigenous Naga would be deliberated at the meeting. Two government schools of Sikkim are in the top 100 innovators under NITI Ayog's Atal Innovation Mission. Namchi Government Senior Secondary School, South Sikkim in Agri-Tech category and Yangang Government Senior Secondary School, South Sikkim in Waste Management category has been selected in top 100 entries by NITI Ayog. Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram were back in action this morning after affecting millions of users across its platform globally, including India. Some users, however, still reported failed messaging and image download issues. Users in India had night-long problems in sending photos, videos and voice messages on WhatsApp. Only the text messages were being shared on the mobile messaging service. Similar problems were faced on Facebook and Instagram. Tripura CPIM organized a protest in capital Agartala against the abrupt hike on NCG and PNG during the last 15 months after the new BJP IPFT government came to power. Former Deputy Speaker and CPIM senior leader Pabitra Kar said that the BJP IPFT government has increased the raw tax of piped natural gas for the second time this year, which is too much. Marijuana weighing 17 kgs were seized from a vehicle by North Lakhimpur police last evening. The seizure of the narcotics took place at Khanajan under Silonibari police outpost in Lakhimpur district. The police team also recovered cash amount of Rs 22,000 from Dharani Das, a report said. In another incident of mob lynching, a 36-year-old man was killed in Rashiabari, a remote area in Dhalai district of Tripura, along the Indo-Bangla border, a report said. The mob lynched the man suspecting him to be a cattle lifter. The man later died in the Gandachera hospital. Rahul Gandhi appeared in a court in Mumbai this morning for a defamation case hearing, filed against him by a Mumbai-based lawyer and RSS worker. Rahul Gandhi pleaded not guilty and has been released on surety of Rs 15,000, said advocate Kushal Moore representing Gandhi. Former MP Eknath Gaikwad has given the surety. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra held her brother Rahul Gandhi's decision to step down from the post of Congress President. During a tweet, Priyanka expressed her deepest respect for Rahul's decision, adding only few have the courage to do what he did. Gandhi had on July 3rd not only formally resigned but also made his resignation letter public. One of the latest catheterization laboratory equipped for neurological, cardiological and radiology interventions have been installed in a hospital in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. According to the interventional cardiologist M. Bhamsi Krishna, this reduces harmful radiation by 60% and gives the doctor a clear view of the portion he or she is working on. All-time heat records are at risk in Alaska in the coming days as a massive and abnormally intense area of high pressure locks in and strengthens over the region. This heat dome is expected to produce temperatures near and above the highest values ever recorded for multiple days, particularly in southern parts of the state. It is the latest in a slew of record-shattering heat events in Alaska.